Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Phonomenal Bowl Pho Soup is probably one of the most sought-after and delicious ways to experience authentic Vietnamese cuisine right in your own home, offering a convenient and flavorful alternative to traditional restaurant dining. This particular brand promises a rich, aromatic broth, tender noodles, and a carefully curated selection of herbs and spices, aiming to deliver a truly satisfying and comforting meal that transports your taste buds straight to the bustling streets of Hanoi with every spoonful. Number 5. PhoLicious Instant Chicken Pho. Craving the rich, authentic flavors of Vietnamese pho? Now you can enjoy it in minutes with our convenient kit. This is your go-to for a quick and satisfying meal. It's a fantastic alternative to ramen, offering a taste of tradition. Simply use your microwave for a hassle-free preparation. Enjoy a steaming bowl of delicious chicken-flavored noodles without the fuss. Everything you need is included. We provide the authentic spices and broth mix for a truly genuine taste experience. When you're short on time but long for flavor, reach for this. It's the perfect solution for a delicious, anytime meal. Experience the comforting and complex flavors of traditional pho, ready in an instant. It's a delightful journey for your taste buds. What we like? Craving a quick and authentic Vietnamese pho experience? This chicken flavor option delivers a rich broth and tender rice noodles, perfect for a speedy and satisfying meal. If you're looking for a convenient way to enjoy classic pho flavors at home, this is the one for you. What people say. The broth is rich and flavorful, with a perfect balance of spices. The noodles are tender and chewy, holding up well in the hot broth. Generous portions of tender beef and fresh herbs complete the authentic pho experience. Number 4. PhoLicious Instant Beef Pho Noodle Soup Kit. Experience the rich and authentic flavors of Vietnamese cuisine right in your own home. This kit brings the traditional taste of pho directly to your table. Craving a delicious meal but short on time? Our instant noodle soup kit is designed for quick preparation, offering a satisfying meal in minutes. We've included a carefully crafted broth mix and authentic spices to ensure every spoonful is bursting with flavor. It's a taste you won't forget. Savor the robust and savory beef flavor that makes this noodle soup a truly comforting and delicious choice. It's a perfect alternative to regular ramen. Enjoy a hassle-free meal with our convenient microwavable bowl. Perfect for a quick lunch or a satisfying dinner, it's ready when you are. This pack comes with 4 servings, making it ideal for enjoying a delightful meal with family or friends. Share the authentic pho experience with loved ones. What we like? For those who love the deep, savory taste of beef pho, this kit offers an authentic experience in minutes. It's ideal for anyone seeking a fast yet traditional beef pho fix. If you prefer a robust beef broth and are short on time, this product is an excellent choice. What people say. The broth is rich and flavorful, with a perfect balance of spices. The noodles are tender and chewy, holding up well in the hot broth. Generous portions of fresh vegetables and tender meat make this a satisfying meal. Number 3. Snapdragon Beef Pho Soup Bowl, 6-pack. Experience the rich and authentic taste of beef pho with our convenient soup bowls. Each bowl is crafted to deliver a satisfying and flavorful meal. This pack includes 6 individual servings, perfect for stocking up your pantry. Enjoy a delicious meal anytime without the hassle. We use natural flavors to create an irresistible taste. You can savor the genuine essence of pho in every spoonful. Looking for a quick meal? These soup bowls are ready in minutes, offering a delicious solution for busy days. It's the perfect way to enjoy a hearty meal on the go. From Snapdragon, you can expect quality and great taste. Our beef pho soup bowls are made with care for your enjoyment. What we like? Enjoy the classic taste of beef pho with this convenient pack. Its natural flavor profile makes it a straightforward and satisfying choice for pho lovers. If you appreciate a clean, authentic beef pho taste and want a multi-pack for easy stocking, consider this option. What people say. The broth is rich and flavorful, with a perfect balance of spices. The noodles are tender and springy, holding up well in the hot broth. Generous portions of fresh ingredients, including tender beef and crisp vegetables. Number 2. Ramen Express Chicken Flavor Ramen Cup Noodle. Introducing Ramen Express Chicken Flavor Ramen Cup Noodle. A quick and delicious meal solution for any time of day. Enjoy the savory chicken flavor without any animal products. Our noodles are completely plant-based and animal-free. Crafted with care in the USA, we use only the finest American flour for our noodles. These convenient cup noodles are perfect for a fast lunch or a satisfying snack. Just add hot water and enjoy. Stock up with this pack of 12, ensuring you always have a delicious meal on hand. It's great value and perfect for busy households. What we like? Looking for a delicious and ethical ramen option? This chicken-flavored ramen is entirely plant-based and made with high-quality American flour. If you are a vegan, vegetarian, or simply seeking an animal-free noodle soup, this is a fantastic choice for a guilt-free meal. What people say? The broth is rich and flavorful, with a perfect balance of spices. The noodles are tender and springy, holding up well in the hot broth. Generous portions of fresh beef and herbs complete the authentic pho experience. Number 1. NUTRIUPS 8-inch Ceramic Ramen Bowl Set. Enjoy your meals with peace of mind. These bowls are crafted from premium ceramic, ensuring they are free from harmful chemicals and won't absorb odors or stains. They offer a healthier and safer alternative for your dining. Each bowl is a unique work of art, thanks to a special kiln transmutation technology. The glaze reacts to create beautiful, one-of-a-kind colors and textures, making your dining experience special. Elevate your meals with this authentic Japanese-style bowl. Its beautiful design enhances the presentation of your favorite Asian-inspired dishes, from ramen to fried rice, stimulating your appetite. Designed with an 8-inch diameter and a generous 40-ounce capacity, these bowls are perfect for all your noodle dishes. They are also microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. This set includes 2 bowls, 2 spoons, and 2 pairs of chopsticks, making it a thoughtful gift. It's perfect for housewarmings, weddings, birthdays, or for any ramen lover in your life. What we like? Elevate your noodle soup experience with this beautiful ceramic bowl set. It comes complete with spoons and chopsticks, offering an authentic Japanese dining feel. If you enjoy presenting your ramen, udon, or pho in a stylish and functional way, and appreciate a complete dining set, this is perfect for you. What people say? The 40-ounce capacity is perfect for ramen, pho, udon, rice bowls, or even big salads. There's plenty of room for broth, toppings, and noodles without worrying about spills. The curved shape also makes the whole eating experience feel more authentic and comfortable. It comes as a complete set with matching spoons and chopsticks. Everything feels coordinated and well-made, making it great not only for everyday meals but also for serving guests. Fully microwavable, perfect for all kinds of soup with its size, and they've survived several dishwasher runs. The spoons are a great size, and the chopsticks are a nice extra when I feel like having ramen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.